Here is how to create a group on Snapchat. So first open Snapchat on your mobile device and log into your specific account and tap on the chat icon in the bottom left corner. Then tap on the pencil icon from the bottom right of the screen and here select new group option. Now choose the members that you want to add to the group and then after select chat with group from the bottom of the screen and the group will be instantly created. Tap on the name group in the top of the screen to name it. Again, tap on this name in the top of the screen and from here you can select the wallpaper in the chat for your group and then you can also add group members. You can invite them via link or you can just select this add to group option and select people to add it to your group. And on the bottom, you'll be able to see the chat that has been saved or chat attachments and charms as well. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.